Exercise 4.1, second year maths in textbook board, question number 3. F of x is equal to under root x. He's asking you that find the derivative by the first principle of function f of x is equal to under root x. So now solution, and let x is equal to a. Then f of a will become under root a. Now your first principle is f prime a limit x tends to a. F of x minus f of a and x minus a. This is the first principle to find the derivative, and now I'm going to put the values in this formula. F prime a limit x tends to a, fx here under root x minus an f of a is equal to under root a, and x minus a your denominator. Now I want to simplify it, but this case is special, so we take the conjugate here. We have learned how to get the conjugate in our previous classes, so I'm getting here the conjugate of numerator x minus a, so means x plus a, and upon under root x plus a. Limit x tends to a, so in above terms we get here under root x square minus under root a square, and x minus a into x plus under root a. Now this radical sign will cancel out by the square, so limit x tends to a sorry, x minus a and x minus a upon under root x plus under root a. Now you can see here that these both terms are common, so you can cancel out. Now your remaining part of the question is f prime a limit x tends to a and 1 upon under root x plus under root a. Now you will apply the limit. One thing is very important here. Before this step you can't apply the limit, because if you want to apply the limit before this step, your question will undefined. So after this step you will apply the limit. So now I'm going to apply the limit as x tends to a. So 1 over under root a plus under root a. This is your new shape of your question after applying the limit. Now I'm going to add my denominator, so I will get 2 under root a, f prime a. But first thing, that your question is given in term of x, so you will again change your question in term of x. So you will put here x is equal to a. So the new shape of your question become f prime x 1 over 2 under root x. So this is your required answer.